In this video, I'll be showing you how to stream on Twitch in under 3 minutes. Go to the OBS website and download the correct version for your system. Install OBS, then open it. Open the settings. Go to the video settings. Set the base canvas to your screen resolution or 1920 by 1080. Set output to 1920 by 1080. If available, set downscale filter to Langsos. Set frame rate to 60. Click Apply, then select Output from the side. Set Output Mode to Advanced. Select the Streaming tab. Set Audio Track to 1. Use the default audio encoder option or what we have. Set video codec to NVIDIA H.264 or AMD HW H.264. If neither of these options is available, then use X264. Copy our settings the best you can. Our NVIDIA and X264 settings are on screen. If your upload speed is above 12 megabytes per second, then set the bitrate to 8000. Use 6000 with a 10 megabyte per second upload speed. Use 4000 for anything lower, and change your frame rate to 30 in the video settings. Switch to the audio settings. Expand the desktop audio option and select your headset or listening device. Set a second desktop device, such as a chat output if you have one. Expand the mic menu and select your microphone. Switch to the stream settings. Expand the service menu and choose Twitch. Click Connect Account, then sign into your Twitch account and authorize. Apply and click OK. Click the plus icon in the Scenes panel. Name the scene, then click OK. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel, then choose between Display Capture, Game Capture, and Window Capture. Display Capture will stream your whole screen, while Game and Window Capture will only capture a selected window or application. Name the source and click OK. Use these settings for Display Capture. Make sure you have the correct display selected. Use these settings for Game Capture. Make sure you have the correct application selected. Use these settings for Window Capture. Again, make sure the correct window is selected. Click OK. Drag the source sides to resize if needed, and drag from the middle to move the source. Add a video capture device source. Name the source and click OK. Select your camera or webcam, then click OK. Resize and position the camera as you like. Open the options in the Audio Mixer panel, then select Advanced Audio Properties. Make sure your microphone and audio devices are enabled on track 1, then close. Click Start Streaming on the side to start your stream. You will now be able to stream on Twitch with OBS. Like the video if you found it helpful, and check out the video here to add overlays to your stream.